how to edit a website template that was built using Bootstrap 5. Go to my website htmljstemplates.com. Links you can find in the description. Navigate to the page and then click on HTML, and the very first one, or at least at the time of recording, this is the first one, editable Bootstrap 5 landing page templates. Click on this and you will have 3 templates. Again, at the time of recording I have only 3. I'm planning to build some more. This is the first one. Every template I have designed for a certain niche, and this one is appropriate for cryptocurrency, and this one is for online education institution. So today we're gonna use this one, but before I do, make sure you download the Font Awesome 6 library. And also, the images I have used are from freepik.com and unsplash.com. You can't use the images unless you provide attribution to the owner. That means you have to mention this pic is from so-and-so website, so there are no any legal issues if you use it. If they find out that you're not using the right attribution, that means you have to put certain links on your website if you're using their images. And also there is also an option you can purchase, so you don't have to do that anymore. Alright, enough of the disclosure. Let's go and create this elegant. There you go. So there's the whole page. Now you are, once you see this download button right here, that means you're on editor. If I want to change this, click that, and I can change this. I don't like it. Let me change something else. JPEG. I don't have the transparent background. Let me change this to this. Okay, that looks good. The home page is, let me change it to pricing. Let me change it to services. And let me change it to contact us. This I want it to be login or sign up. Any text you see on the page, you can just edit it. My company and awesome website title. Another awesome, can't type today. Another awesome sub heading. And this image you can even change it. Any image you see on the template, you could change it. I want, let's see, I want this image. Okay, it looks good. Features, feature rather, I will change it to services. All the services I provide are here. Okay, this one I will change it. Just click on it. This thing opens. I will use this photo. Get started. I don't like this. Let's say go. There you go. At least everything you can change. Let's say pricing. Cart title. I will change it to $10. Let's say if you're using pricing, just a small example. This some text. Some link. Just give an example on how to edit any image you see. You could just click on it and you can change it. Who is to benefit? Benefits. Change it from for developers, for users. You get the point. Even here, change it to pricing. This is already service. We'll just leave this. Payment, you know, whatever changes you want, you could just change it. Okay, so these right here, these are, I use Font Awesome for this. You might want to go to the code and edit. So the point of this editor is, want to make sure that you know, I mean, before you download it, you could just see, you could visualize it here, how it looks and all. Don't mind the white blanks because that's the video recording. That's what doing it. Let me show you again. There you go. Everything is loading. Once you're done, you could just download it. Since I'm using MacBook, it already unzips, but if you're using Windows, I think it will just stay at .zip. You need to unzip it. Since it's already unzipped, I'll just go here. This is a file that I downloaded, and the links are, the image links are configured according to this. Means /images/ whatever the name of the file. So let's say if I open this is the one I just edited. All you need to do is just put these files in your web server and you have a working website. That's all for today, folks. Have a good one.